a project with stunning island-themed landscapes along with beachfront clubhouse. It is the first ever marquee development along expressway offering excellent connectivity. We are talking about Godrej Tropical Isle located in Sector 146, Noida. Let's take a detailed look at its unit plans, location, amenities, price growth and builder analysis in this exclusive video by 99 Acres. Godrej Tropical Isle is a contemporary residential project being built in a single phase. Spread across 6.1 acres, it is slated for completion in February 2030. Buyers can look forward to 5 towers with 35 floors each and 700 homes in 2, 3, 4 and 5 BHK configurations. ये एक corner plot है with road on 2 sides offering excellent accessibility and connectivity. The 5 towers are divided into 2 blocks placed in an L-shaped structure, connected by a driveway encircling them. The central area features a wide range of amenities along with water bodies and a fountain enhancing the beauty of the project. All homes are equipped with air purification technology to provide fresh air to the residents. आइए अब देखते हैं इसके यूनिट साइजेस एंड प्राइसेस को। इन 2 BHKs, apartment sizes ranges between 1012 to 1048 square feet. All homes come with 2 beds plus bath, kitchen, living, dining. In 3 BHK apartments, unit sizes range between 1207 to 2500 square feet. All homes come with 3 beds plus baths, living, dining, kitchen and a balcony, with the larger ones having additional toilets, utilities, store and dresser. In 4 BHK homes, apartment sizes range between 1714 to 3250 square feet. All homes come with 4 beds plus 5 baths, living, dining, kitchen, balconies, 2 stores and dresser, with the larger ones having additional baths and utility. And finally, the 5 BHK homes offer a super built-up area of 2647 square feet. All homes come with 5 beds plus baths, living, dining, kitchen, balcony, stores and dresser. आइए अब देखते हैं कि इस प्रोजेक्ट में बायर्स को क्या-क्या amenities मिल रही हैं. This project offers a wide range of amenities designed to enhance the lifestyle of its residents, starting with a swimming pool, sauna, salon, barbecue area and a golf course. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate a variety of facilities available, including a squash, basketball and badminton court, jogging track and a yoga and meditation area for relaxation and mindfulness. The clubhouse and gymnasium provide further opportunities for physical activity and social interaction. The concierge service ensures all your needs are met with ease, while the business lounge provides a professional setting for work-related activities. The library offers a quiet place for reading and study, while the amphitheater serves as an avenue for events. This gated community ensures safety and provides 5-tier security to its residents. In addition to this, there's a children's play area, cafeteria and ample parking spaces. आइए अब देखते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट की लोकेशन एंड प्राइस ग्रोथ को। The property enjoys excellent connectivity due to its strategic location and proximity to 3 major expressways: Noida Greater Noida Expressway, Yamuna Expressway and FNG Expressway. Major educational and healthcare institutions, shopping malls, commercial and business parks are also nearby, with Noida Sector 146 metro station being the closest. The area will also benefit from upcoming developments such as the Jewar Airport, International Cricket Stadium and underpass at the Jatha village, all bolstering connectivity and transport in the region. While the residents here enjoy the connectivity and the amenities, there is some dissatisfaction due to lack of public transport. Thankfully, a project एक simplified payment plan offer कर रहा है buyers को, जहां you pay 5% on application, 5% within 30 days from the date of booking, 10% within 75 days from the date of booking, 70% is spread across the construction timeline, 5% on the application of occupation certificate and the remaining 5% on intimation of possession. अब बात करते हैं इसके बिल्डर की। Founded in 1990, Godrej Properties became the first real estate company to achieve ISO certification. Currently, the company is developing iconic projects in 12 cities across India, spanning over 18.58 million square meters. Renowned for its innovation and excellence, Godrej Property continues to set new benchmarks in the real estate industry in both residential and commercial sectors. Some of its projects that have shown healthy price appreciation since the time of their launch are Godrej 101 that has seen 32.7% growth and Godrej Meridian that has seen 29.1% growth, all in the last 1 year. To buy or to know more about this project, click on the link below.